Hi, it's Gwendolyn from UltraPure Cosmetics talking to you about this clean beauty gem. Okay, let's check it out. It's Phyto-C Age Repair Infusion Spray. What's it do? Okay, I'm going to talk about 4 ingredients. Let's just talk about what it does. Magnesium ascorbate palmitate, MAP, is a stable form of vitamin C, which will brighten and refine your skin. Yay! Okay. Hyaluronic acid, big buzzword in the beauty industry because it's a very important ingredient, which holds its weight 1,000 times more. It holds its weight in water, and so it plumps up the skin, okay? It increases our stored hyaluronic acid, so it's holding hydration in the skin. Bamboo water is nutrient rich, and again, it balances the hydration in the skin, everything we want. And the grape seed extracts provide antioxidants, which help keep the cells healthy. So if you see an apple and that apple turns brown, that's oxidization. So that's what we don't want to happen. And so we're spraying this on to fight free radical damage. So I just got all my UltraPure makeup on. It's very pretty, glisten. Everybody should have glisten, get a little sparkle for winter, spring, summer, fall. So I already put it on probably 3 times, and I spray it all over my arms, all over my hands for hydration, for everything I just told you to keep everything plumped up. So click the link below for 10% off, and this could be yours too, ultrapure cosmetics.com.